In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create QR codes for audio files stored in Google Drive. This is a fantastic way to share audio content with others quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a teacher sharing lectures with students or simply looking to distribute audio content to a wider audience, QR codes can streamline the process. QR codes are scannable by most mobile devices, making them incredibly convenient. Now let's get started with a simple step-by-step guide. First, you'll want to ensure that your audio file is already uploaded to Google Drive. This can be done by logging into your Google Drive account and selecting the file you wish to upload from your computer or device. Once that's done, locate the file in your Google Drive. It's much easier to find it if you have a consistent organizational structure, so I recommend keeping audio files in a dedicated folder if you work with them frequently. Next, you need to get the shareable link for your audio file. Right-click on the audio file in Google Drive, and from the drop-down menu, select Get Link. Ensure that the sharing settings are adjusted so that anyone with the link can access the file. This step is crucial for the QR code to function properly because if sharing settings are restrictive, others won't be able to access your audio file after scanning the QR code. After obtaining your shareable link, you'll need a QR code generator. There are many free options available online, so choose one that suits your preference. Once on the QR code generator's website, look for an input field or a text box where you can paste your file's URL. Paste the URL link you obtained from Google Drive into this field. Before generating the QR code, you may be offered some custom options such as size, color, and design. Some websites even allow logo placement at the center of the QR code for branding purposes. Customize these as per your requirements, but ensure that the QR code remains clear and distinct enough to be scanned easily. Now generate the QR code. This usually involves clicking a button labeled Generate or Create QR Code. Within seconds, your QR code will be ready. Make sure to download the QR code image onto your device. Save this file in a location where you can easily find it later for printing or sharing. Finally, with your new QR code ready, test it out to make sure it's functioning as expected. Use a smartphone or a QR scanner app to scan the code and see if it takes you directly to the audio file in Google Drive. And there you have it. You've successfully created a QR code for an audio file in Google Drive. With this method, you can efficiently share your audio content with others in a simple and effective manner. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.